Welcome back. We are cutting across to this breaking development. In fact, the first images that you see on your screen, viewers, and if you look very closely, this is a fresh batch of the Rafale jets that have taken off from Paris for India. As I said, that this is again, remember, a momentous occasion. These fighter jets are taking off from France, will be provided mid-air refueling by the UAE, and the next batch of Rafale after this is expected to happen sometime later. So India is getting 3 more Rafale fighter jets. That happens today, and they, remember, again will be joining the Golden Arrow squadron in Ambala, as it was reported earlier. These fighter jets will fly directly from France and will also be assisted in the mid-air refueling by the UAE. We are standing by to get you more details with our colleague Shivani, who's been able to access these first images of the fighter jets that are playing out on your screens right now. And Shivani, if we are not wrong, these planes could be landing in Gujarat, and that could happen as early as this evening.
See, this is the 4th batch of the Rafale fighter aircraft which has to land in India shortly, and they have already taken off from France, and they will be reaching and landing India now. And with these new 3 Rafales, the total strength of the Rafales in India would be 14 now. And very soon, another batch of 7 Rafale aircraft will be in India. And the second squadron, which has to be raised in Hashimara, West Bengal, would be ready by 15th of April. So now, the 4th batch of Rafale is shortly going to land in India. And with this, the might of the Indian Air Force is going to enhance. And as we've already heard, the ambassador of France, he has said that the delivery of Rafale aircraft, the total of 36, is on schedule as per schedule, and by 2022, the total number of 36 would be a part of the Indian Air Force fleet. So now, the next batch, which will be soon in India, will be inducted in the 1st squadron, the Golden Arrow squadron, that is a part of the Ambala squadron, will be in India shortly. Back to you.
All right, Shivani, why don't you stay with us? Let's also get in our colleague Gursimran, who's joining us live, and I'm told he has also picked up a lot of initial inputs on that story. Gursimran, this obviously is a big moment for India. The last time, remember, we did hear the Raksha Mantri actually talking about, Gursimran, how important this induction is and something that the country literally has been waiting for so long. What is the importance today of every such image, Gursimran, that we see playing out on our screens?
Yes, this is a key development that is taking place because the Rafale coming to the Indian side has a very key importance, keeping in view the situation that was on the borders, and now it will take the total strength of this Rafale to the Indian side to the 14. It has taken off from the Paris today morning and will be reaching Gujarat by tomorrow evening. This is what we are told, that it will be expected to land at 7 p.m. in Gujarat, and United Arabs Airbus 330 will be providing the mid-air fueling to these Rafales, the 3 Rafales who are joining the India's cadre at the Gulf of Oman. And what we are also picking up, that this will take the total number of Golden Arrow squadron to the 14. So this is a big success for the Indian side, as the India has been on its way to strengthen its forces, and it is really very important, keeping in view the kind of speciality this Rafale has, as it is equipped with the latest modern weaponry system, and that can do a lot of damage to the adversary and has strengthened the Indian forces.
All right, a big story there. Gursimran and Shivani both reporting for us for the moment. Thank you to both of you.